Here in this video, I'm going to explain to you what exactly entails and what you're going to be receiving. My mentorship program is broken into 3 phases. The first phase, after you complete your purchase, you're going to get an email in which you'll be able to create your login information. Then you'll be able to access the 7-module course that I created online that breaks down the entire hiring process, what each step entails, and how to go about it. Then after that, we follow up with the second phase. The second phase is where we follow up with a FaceTime or a Zoom call, and we create your blueprint. And this literally lists out every single step that you need to take, an exact timeline on how long it's going to take. This is going to include the EMT class you need to go to, the Fire Academy you need to go to. After that, how to do your CPAT and written test so you can get on the statewide eligibility hiring list, and so on and so forth. This is going to be crucial. And then the third phase is us remaining in constant communication. Throughout the hiring process, there are absolutely things that are going to come up that you don't know about, and that is my main function and why I do what I do. For example, after EMT class, there's going to be what's called a national registry test you have to take. Fire department interviews are a whole different beast than a regular job interview, so we absolutely have to get you prepped when it comes down to it. Also, as I brought up, where to locate and find fire departments that are hiring, and then how to fill out these applications. And when it comes down to it, after EMT class, which ambulance company you're going to work on as an EMT to gain EMS experience, as well as a volunteer fire department near you that you can get some fire experience after getting your Firefighter 1 certification. And there's so much more. How to create your resume professionally and tailored to the fire department so it'll stand out. The absolute #1 reason that keeps people from either ever pursuing the fire service or giving up when they are pursuing the fire service is not having a plan. People either A, do not know how to go about becoming a firefighter, or B, they begin the process and then they get confused and frustrated. Life happens. Then they go on to whatever else they go on to. If you're really trying to make this happen, finish up below, click the link. I get an email as well, and we'll get in communication and get it going. I can't wait to talk to you, and best of luck to you.